Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant Chesswise. Today we are at the next endgame study explained, that is the position number 18 of our study. This is the position with white to play. White is a pawn up, but his pawns are doubled, and at first it looks very difficult to convert this position. Let's look at the candidate moves and the plan for white. White has two approaches. One, he can try to attack the black pawn on d7. Second, he can try to take entry from the e4 to d5 and try to go nearer to the pawn, and eventually play the move e6, trade the pawns and try to promote his pawn to queen. So there are three approaches by white. One, going for the move kf5 immediately. Second, playing the move ke4, and there is third approach which is suggested by many. White tries to play kf3 and tries to take a distant opposition kind of situation. But kf3 here doesn't help at all, because after kd5 the pawn is immediately attacked. And again kf4 forced, to which we see that after kc5, if white plays e6, d into e6, ke5, kc4, e4 and kd3. The pawns are mutually attacked and the position will be drawn. If king into e6, then just kd3. Again it's a drawn position. So the move kf3 happens to be an outright mistake. Second main option is to go directly ke4, snatching the d5 square, king c5, kf5, and here it is very important for black to find the right move. If king c6, then e6 hands over the opposition to white. After d6, ke6, white gets the opposition and the king is on the 6th rank. So white will be able to win the game after e4, e5, kf7, and his pawn will queen. But here black has the strong move kc4. After which again, if e6, then de, ke6, kd3 draws, and e4, then the move king d4. And again we see that there is nothing much that white can do about this position. After king into f6, just ke4. After e6, de6, ke6, ke4, the game is drawn. Then there is the move king f5, which is also met by the move king d5 simply. And again we see the position is drawn. After the move kf6, ke4, ke7, ke5, kd7, ke4, and the e3 pawn would be taken. So white has only one alternative here, that is the move e4. With the move e4, he is trying to put black in a zugzwang, in a later on position. Right now it looks like after the move kc5, kf5, we will transpose to the previous line with the move kd4. But here is the point. After the move kc5, white goes e6. Very strong move, forcing black to take de6. If kd6, then ed7, kd7, king f5, and we manage the opposition. So after ed, kd7, king f5, ke7, only move ke5, and white wins after kf7, kd6, or kd7, kf6. e6 forces black to take de6 when white has ke5. And this is the unique way where white wins the position. If king goes to c6, then king just takes e6, maintains the opposition, king is on the 6th rank, pawn goes to e5, king moves to f7, and the pawn queens. If king comes to c4, then also is falling one move short. After ke6, kd4, e5, and white again wins the game. King moves to f6 followed by e6, e7, and e8. So finally there is just one thing that black can do. After e4, kc7, king f5, kd8, but now again e6, when after de6, ke6, ke8, black manages the opposition, but white plays e5, gains back the opposition, forces the king to move away, and the white king enters from whichever side the black moves, white enters from the other side. So after kd8, kf7 wins, After kf8, kd7 wins. Anyway, this position is winning even if it is white to play over here. King is on the 6th rank and the pawn is behind it. So white wins the game. I hope you find these positions very interesting and instructive as well. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for your time.